Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious beef vegetable stir fry. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. The first ingredient we have here is beef. Okay, so make sure you wash the beef thoroughly with salt water, okay, and you cut into strip or any size you want. Okay, so we are done cutting the beef. We're going to put it into a clean bowl. Then here I have onion, ginger and garlic, and we are going to grate all of this. So here is the grated onion, ginger and garlic. So put it in the meat and add seasoning cube, salt, little curry powder, then you mix together. So after mixing, you're going to set it aside. Then the next thing you're going to do is to start cutting your vegetables. So here I have green beans, so it's already washed. I'll be cutting these green beans into strips. So cut off both ends and cut into strips. So we are done cutting the green beans. Next I have green pepper, and some are getting ripe already. So cut the pepper, so we are done with cutting the pepper. So next we have cayenne pepper. So we are done with cutting this. So next we have the carrots. So here is a carrot cut into strips. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is to dry your pan, then add some vegetable oil, then you add the seasoned beef and stir fry. So stir fry for about 5 to 7 minutes and cover and leave to simmer on a low heat, and check at intervals. Okay, so we want the beef to absorb the water. So as you guys can see, the water is almost dried up. The next thing you're going to do is to remove this and set it aside. Using the same pan, add some vegetable oil, then chopped onions and saute for 5 minutes. Add the green beans, then you add the carrots, then you stir fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. On low medium heat. Add both the cayenne pepper and the green pepper, then you stir fry for another 3 minutes. Next, add the beef, then you stir fry. You're going to stir fry for about 5 to 8 minutes. Then this is soy sauce. We're going to add little soy sauce. Then you stir fry for 2 minutes. Guys, you're going to love this delicious beef vegetable stir fry recipe. As you guys can see, it's almost ready, guys. You're going to love this recipe. Yum, 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 yum. Guys, like I would always tell you, make sure you try this recipe out. You're going to love it. It was so delicious. You can have this with boiled rice. You can serve with boiled rice, or you can enjoy with anything that works well with you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely, lovely, lovely day, and bye for now. Love ya.